Hello, how are you? Welcome back to the SolidWorks Sketch course. In today's lesson, we are going to learn all the slot tools, one of the most commonly used sketch features for mechanical design. We'll cover all four slot types. Let's begin. We need a new part here, double click here. So we have an environment part. Next, we should choose a plane, front plane, top plane, right plane. I choose front plane and click sketch. Here we see all type of slot. Straight slot, center point straight slot, 3-point arc slot, and certain point arc slot. We start with straight slot, that is most common. How it's work? Click the place, the first end point of a start, click the next point, next end point, move your mouse outward to set a slot radius and click to finish. Here we see all type of slot, and if click here we have a construction slot. This type of slot is not physical geometry and it will not create a solid body. It's used as a reference, and here we have the coordinate and the dimensions. About dimensions we speak in future. So next type of slot is 3-point arc slot. 3-point arc slot. Click the first arc point, click the second arc point, mouse moves to define the arc radius and move outward for setting slide width. Click the first arc point, click the second arc point and click for the define a radius of arc and move mouse outward to set the slot width. The next one is Centerpoint Slot straight. Centerpoint straight slot. Center point. The first click place the center of the slot. Center of the slot. Next click is the one end point and move outward for the slot width. Here, here, and here. As a turn on for construction, all type of slot is drawn as a construction. The next one is 3 Centerpoint Arc Slot. Centerpoint Arc Slot. Click to place the center of the arc. And next click is to place the start angle, and next click is to place the end angle. Move mouse outward to set the slot width. It's used for circular slot path, rotating mechanical parts, keyholes, or curve adjustment. Start angle, the center slot angle, the end angle, and the width of the slot. So in this session we speak about the all type slot tools in SolidWorks. We learn all types: straight slot, 3-point arc, and center point arc. In next session we'll continue with more sketch tools, so make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.